Hello student. Today we are going to start Physical Education Unit 2 Sports and Nutrition. Staying healthy is the most important part of development. If you are healthy, you will feel strong physically and emotionally too. A child grow for year by year and cross all the stages of life, but in every stage the requirement of nutrition change. The person need food as per the energy required of that stage. Each one of us are responsible of many things in our daily life, such as going school, preparing for exam, sports, etc. And proper nutrition only can help us survive all situations of the life. Key points: balanced diet and nutrition, macro and micronutrients, nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet, eating for weight control, a healthy weight, the pitfalls of diet, food intolerance, and food myths. Balanced diet. A diet contains adequate amounts of all the necessary nutrients required for proper growth and maintenance of body. Nutrition. It is the process of obtaining and consuming food or breaking down food and substance that in by the mouth to use for energy in the body. Nutrients. The energic food in our diet consists of various type of essential chemicals for our body, termed as nutrition. Example: protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals. Micronutrients are needed in large quantity. They normally include carbohydrate, fat, protein and water. Micronutrients as vitamin and minerals, which are required in small quantity to ensure normal metabolism, growth and physical well-being. Components of diet are divided into nutritive component and non-nutritive component. Nutritive components are divided into macronutrient and micronutrient. Macronutrient are further divided into carbohydrates, fats, protein and water. Carbohydrates are of two types: simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrate. Fat are two types: saturated fats and also known as animal fat, unsaturated fat also known as vegetable fat. Then protein, it is divided into three parts: simple protein, conjugated and derived. Then micronutrients are divided into vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are further divided into water soluble vitamins, fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble include vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Fat soluble vitamins includes vitamin A, D, E, K. Then unsaturated fats are divided into further three parts: monosaturated, polysaturated, hydrogenated. Here are some MCQ example for 1 mark. You can check them. A balanced diet is rich in all nutrients necessary for growing and developing. It is a complete food. The function of balanced diet are to provide sufficient energy for life processes and daily work and to help an individual grow and develop to the optimum level. It ensures proper functioning of organs. It helps to repair and replace worn out tissues. It helps to fight back diseases and improve the defense mechanism of the body. It helps to improve overall health status. It improves metabolism. It prevents deficiency diseases and maintain body weight. Thus, overall efficiency of an individual improves. Importance of protein for our body. Proteins are basic structure of all living cells. Proteins are main components of muscles, tendons, ligament, organs. Protein are need for growth and development of body. It helps to repair or replace the worn out tissues. It does not provide energy in normal routine, whereas it acts as energy source only under extreme situations. Protein are required for making blood, muscles, nails, skin, hair, and body parts and repair them. And important is some situation like early development, maturation, pregnancy, etc. Now difference between simple and complex carbohydrate are on the slide. As you can see, simple carbohydrates gives quick energy, complex releases slow energy. Example for simple are glucose, maltose, etc. Example for complex starch and cellulose. Simple can be absorbed quickly, complex take time. Simple are sweeter, complex are less sweet. Fat. They are emergency energy sources important for proper functioning of glands and other organs. Helps in transportation of fat soluble vitamins. Helps in blood clotting. Maintain body temperature. Make body soft and oily. Water is a very useful component of our diet. Blood plasma comprises 91% of water. Water comprises 75% of muscular weight and 70% of body weight. It is important for secretion of waste produces waste products. It's regulate body temperature. Our body loses approximately 2% of our body weight or water per day. We compensate this loss of water by drinking water and by intake of food. It's also function as a lubricant which keep the skins moist and protect the body from shock. 20% of water in the take comes from food and remaining intake come from directly drinking water. This is an in-depth version of the old question. You can check the points later. There are various factors which should be considered while making a balanced diet. That are age, gender, profession, body weight, specific sports diet, pregnancy or feeding mother, diet during health problem, climatic condition, doctor recommendation, eating habits and social custom. Now, here are some questions to test your understanding. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.